And good morning. It's 10:30 on April 2nd, and our day is over, and it couldn't have been more fantastic. So let me just give you some visualization here and show you how I trade. Each morning you'll have your idea. My idea today was to buy the dip because the media on Friday and Monday were trying to scare us about what was going to happen today. So in my opinion, was priced in because if the media is talking about it, they're always late. So when you have an idea or a thesis or an inkling, or whatever synonym you want to use, there's your idea. When you trade VWAP and VWAP exclusively in price, and your idea then gets validated by price, in what you're looking at is called a faux show bro, a fake out, shakeout, breakout. So here's the pre-market action on the QQQ, and you broke pre-market lows, very bearish, but then it came right back. That's the fake out as it's breaking down. The shakeout is underneath your first sell-off. There's your first sell-off low. Then it breaks the low, fake out, shakeout, and even if you're not savvy enough to buy it on the back above the fake out area, once you get a faux show underneath VWAP, it's not too late to join in on the fun, kids. And we've been long the queue since 467.50. And the orange line is prior day VWAP, where we took 50% of the trade off because blue line to orange line is usually a great trade in itself. And then we got the reversal. So anything above the orange line right now is icing on the cake. And if you're trading options, let me show you. So we trade in the money options. So QQQ dailies. Don't be afraid of your dailies. And we're looking at slightly out of the money. So we went 468 for the day. Hang on. Wait for it. Or don't. I don't know why I can't get you the 468s. Hang on. And here we are. So the 468s, you'll see, same chart pattern because we want to trade the stock, the option in lieu of the stock. It'll trade with the same action. So let me just get rid of this orange line. It's my theoretical value. Remove that. And now you are looking at the option you would have bought if you couldn't buy the QQQ or the TQQ. You're buying the 468 daily option here at $2.69 as it breaks back above the VWAP after the dip. Faux show. Here's the dip. So you're buying at $2.69 and you're selling some contracts at $4.50. And then you're raising your stop to the pivot points, which in this case, there wasn't many to choose from. So we went with the 385 area, high candle, kept us in the name, rallies again to 5, rallies some more to 6. We're selling at these levels, and then inevitably got stopped out when we raised our stop back to the prior VWAP. But an entry price of $279, roughly getting out of most of them at 100%. And then we had Crossweave, which was fantastic. Again, IPO market on fire right now. This was the forgotten one for the last 2 days, but it woke up because it wanted to play catch up to the Newsmax and some of the other ones. But here, my idea was this stock is still on fire, and if it gets through the 50s, chances are it might be going to 80. But again, it doesn't matter where it's going. It's what you're going to do on the way there, right? So here is the faux show bro. Tries to rally, rolls over, breaks a new low, then comes back, and then breaks the VWAP. Fake out, shake out, and we're buying it back above the VWAP at 55. Gets over here. We're already selling at the highs of the day at 59 and change. Raising our stop to the VWAP and trailing and trailing. Next thing you know, back above 60. We sold some at 62.50. And here, we expected to get out at 65, and it rolled over, and we all got stopped out at 62.50 on the way back down. Lickety split, 2 trades, and you are now a seasoned vet. And here's one more for you, and I know you love this one, Blackberry, right? Little cheap stock, reported earnings, getting hammered. There's the fake out, there's the shakeout, and we bought the VWAP breakout. And again, with a $3 stock, you're typically buying what? A couple thousand shares at least. Stock pops 10%. $3.11. Obviously, we were expecting it to go to 355, but at 330 on a 10% move, we were selling. And then on this rollover here, we got stopped out of whatever we had left. But fantastic trade. So Crossweave, QQQ, and Blackberry for the win. And the day is over. And now we could sit back and decide whether or not we want to trade. But as day traders, if your day is over by 10:30, why not take the money and run? You all have a great rest of the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow night. Email me if you want to hang with us and talk about software tomorrow night at the Schmooze.